Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Homestead Exemption in Florida. This valuable tax break can significantly reduce your property taxes, making homeownership more affordable. To qualify, you must own and occupy the property as your permanent residence by January 1 of the year you apply. It's a crucial benefit for Florida homeowners, so let's dive into the details. To be eligible, you need to hold legal title to the property or have a beneficial interest, and it must be your permanent home. You'll need documents such as your Florida driver's license, vehicle registration, and a copy of your deed. The application process is straightforward. You can typically apply online or in person at your county property appraiser's office. Don't delay, as deadlines are important. The most critical date to remember is March 1. This is the annual deadline to file your Homestead Exemption application. Once approved, this exemption can reduce your home's taxable value by up to $50,000, leading to substantial savings. Plus, if you move within Florida, you might be able to port a portion of your savings to your new home, maintaining your tax benefits. Once you've secured your homestead exemption, it usually renews automatically each year, so you won't need to reapply annually unless requested. However, it's vital to report any changes in ownership, marital status, or residency to your county property appraiser's office promptly. This ensures you maintain your eligibility and continue receiving your tax benefits. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.